Hello students, in my last two videos on notice writing, I had done in detail the format and content of notice writing. Today, in this video, I will be showing you some samples of notices. I will be doing these notices and concentrating more on the cultural activities. The sports part I will be doing in my next video. Let us begin. Now, since I am showing you a sample of writing notices, this is my first task or my first exercise with you. I am reading it, and also please pay attention to the details that are provided in this task. You are Rosie / Rahul Fernandez, Cultural Secretary of Public Higher Secondary School, Ponda. Write a notice for the school notice board inviting the students for the hike to Dudhsagar Falls organized by the Nature Club of your school. Please pay attention, students. We have to answer certain questions as required in the format. So here, Rosie Rahul is the name of the sender. Cultural Secretary is the designation of Rosie and Rahul. Public Higher Secondary School is the name of the higher secondary, and Ponda is the place. Now, what is the event? Hike to Dudhsagar Falls. Who is organizing it? The Nature Club. The word limit has already been set and we need to comply by this. Look at how I have done this. First of all, I have drawn a three-sided box. I have left a line here. Public Higher Secondary School, comma, Ponda. All capital letters. The name of the school is aligned to the left. I have separated the name of the school and the place using a comma. I have not used any short forms for writing higher secondary. Please look at this. Leave a line. The word notice in the center in all capital letters. Leave a line. Write the title or the topic of the notice. Hike to Dudhsagar Falls. Look at this. The letter H of the word hike, the letter T of the word to, the letter D of the word Dudhsagar, and the letter F of the word falls. They are all in capitals. Okay, and the other alphabets are in small letters. So hike to Dudhsagar Fall, it is aligned to the center. Leave a line. Who is organizing it? The Nature Club of our school will be organizing what? A hike to Dudhsagar Falls. When? On 20th July, that is 20 July, 2020. Interested students. Now, if you pay attention to this, I have not mentioned the timing here. I have not mentioned the timing because we will get to know about the timing later on. Once we receive the entries, once we book the buses, we will be intimating the students about the timing later on. So I have not mentioned any time. Interested students should pay an amount of rupees 100 as bus fare. Now here it is very important because unless you pay the bus fare, your name will not get registered for the hike to Dudhsagar Falls as bus fare, and register their names with the cultural secretary. When? I have told you the last day is 12 July 2020, and also obtained other details. Other details could be when the bus will leave the premises, what time they are going to get back. All these other details they have to obtain, that to personally meet the cultural secretary and obtain all the details. Then leave a line. Here to the left, the name of the sender, Rosie Fernandez. Okay, cultural secretary is the designation of Rosie Fernandez, the designation. On the right hand side here, you do not do anything. When you write cultural secretary on the next line, you leave a line and the word principal on the right hand side. Since no body has been mentioned, we need not write. Okay, now here, though the nature club is organizing the program, cultural secretary is of the students council, not of the nature club. So that is the reason I have not mentioned anything here. Cultural secretary is not of nature club. Cultural secretary is of the students council. So I have not mentioned any body. And the word principal on the right hand side. Leave one line, the date. Date is 5 July, 2020. I want you to look at this very carefully. Look at the dates. Look at the date. This is the day you are answering your paper, or the day this particular notice has been drawn. That is 5 July. Look at this. This is the second date. A span of about 6 to 7 days between this date and this date. So it's 12 July 2020, and another 8 to 10 days gap or 6 to 7 days gap between this date and this date. Means the date of submitting the names, the last day to submit the names, the deadline to submit the names, and the actual event. So this is 20th July or 20 July. Then leave one line and close the box. I hope this is clear. Now you are expected to write this on your notebook. All these samples that I have put in this video are to be written on your notebook. I'm going to my second sample. You are Mehak/Mohammed Khan, General Secretary of the Students' Council of Vidya Higher Secondary School, Margaon. Draft a notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in the inter-class Rangoli competition, giving all necessary details. 30 to 40 words. Now please note the requirements here. Who is sending it? Mehak Mohammed Khan. In what capacity? General Secretary. What is the body? Students' Council. What is the name of the higher secondary? Vidya Higher Secondary. Where is it located? In Margaon. What is the notice about? That is inviting students to participate in the inter-class. This is your title. This is going to be the title of your notice. Inter-class Rangoli competition. And other details. Let us see what are the other details that have to be mentioned. Look at this. I have drawn a 3-sided box and I have left a line. Now I have written the name of the school, Vidya Higher Secondary School, Margaon. I have used all capital letters to write the name of the school as well as the place. No short forms there for higher secondary again. After that you leave a line and you write the word notice. The word notice has to be in the center in all capital letters. Then again you leave a line, write the title of the notice. Here when you're writing the title of the notice, the first letter of each word should be in capital letters. The word, look at this. I have written the word I, here the word C, here the letter R and the letter C in capital letters. Then the title should be a line to the center. Leave a line, then write the body of the notice. Now, in my previous sample, my previous slide, I had told you to start writing the notice by mentioning who is organizing the program or who is organizing the event. Now look at this particular slide. I have started this by writing what first. I have answered the question what. An interclass. So what is the event? I have started the notice by writing what. An interclass Rangoli competition will be organized by our school on 21 July 2020 at 11:30 a.m. in the school hall for the students of class 11. Okay, here I have a specific or a limited audience. I do not want the 12th standard students to participate because of their exams. I want them to concentrate on their studies. So I have not let the 12th standard participate in this. So this particular notice is drawn exclusively for class 11 students. For further details and to register your names, contact the cultural secretary by 14 July 2020. I've left a line here, and Mehak Khan or Muhammad Khan, whichever name you want to choose, you may write. Then on the right hand side, you just leave this blank. Then in what capacity is this Mehak sending this notice? So in the capacity of being the general secretary of the school. So the designation of Mehak, of the sender. So general secretary, comma, students council. Again, I wanted to observe that the apostrophe here is after the S. So please take a look at that and write it properly. And on the right hand side, the word principal. You leave a line, you write the word date, put a colon, 05 July, comma, 2020. This is the date when this particular notice has been drawn. Leave one line and then close the box. One line actually here refers to two lines. You have to leave two lines. It looks as though it's two left. It is not two lines. Actually here I have left a line and here I have closed the box. But it looks, this is the way you're going to write it on your notebook, as though you are leaving two lines. Please write this on your notebook. This is my third notice now. You are Meghna Manish Rao, the president of the Red Cross unit of Arya Higher Secondary School, Panaji, Goa. Draft a notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in the elocution competition on the topic Live Healthy, Live Long, giving all necessary details, 30 to 40 words. So I want you to take a close look at this. Who has sent the notice or who will be sending the notice? This is Meghna or Manish Rao, whichever name you want, you may choose. In what capacity is he sending this particular notice? He is sending it in the capacity of being the president. President of which club or unit? That is the Red Cross unit. Which higher secondary? Arya Higher Secondary. Where is it based? Where is this higher secondary based? In Panaji. What is the event? Elocution competition. Is the topic mentioned? Yes, the topic has been mentioned to us. It is Live Healthy, Live Long. So already the topic has been specified. So let us see how to go about with this particular task. Look at this. I have first drawn a three-sided box. Then you leave a line. Arya Higher Secondary School, comma, Panaji. All this is in capital letters and it is aligned to the left. Leave one line. The word notice in the center in all capital letters. Leave one line. You write the title of the notice. The title of the notice is elocution competition. Okay, now why have I not mentioned the topic of the elocution competition in the title? It is, if I mention the topic of this particular elocution competition in the title will be extremely long, and you know that the word limit is between 2 to 5 words for the topic or for the title. The word limit is 2 to 5 words, so it will become extremely long, and that is the reason I have avoided writing the topic of the elocution competition. The first letter of each word in capital letters. Look at this, have a close look at it. The word E, the letter E of the word elocution and the letter C of the word competition is in capital letters. The other words are in small letters. You leave one line. The title of the notice should be aligned to the center. Now, our school will be organizing an elocution competition. Now here, why our school? Our school because this elocution competition is organized by Arya Higher Secondary School. It is not by some other higher secondary school. It is not inter higher secondary school. Okay, so had it to be inter higher secondary, then you would have to mention the name of the higher secondary, which is the host school organizing the competition. Our school will be organizing an elocution competition. So who is organizing? I have already finished. Elocution is the event. What? On the topic, live healthy, live long, for the students of class 11 and 12 on 22nd July 2020 at 11:30 a.m. in the school hall. Interested students can give their names to their respective class teachers. Please look at this. It is respective. Respective would be your own class teacher. If you belong to, I'm just giving you an example. If you belong to class 11th commerce, then you have to give it to your class teacher, the class teacher of 11th commerce A. I hope you have followed. Respective class teachers by 13 July, 2020. You leave a line. Now Meghna Rao is the name of the sender. The notice sender is Meghna Rao. On the right hand side, you just leave this blank. Then here you write the designation. Now Meghna Rao is sending this notice as the president of the Red Cross. So president is the designation of Meghna Rao, comma, Red Cross. Now this has been provided to us. Okay, it has been clearly told to us that Meghna is the president of Red Cross. Then on the right hand side, you write the word principal. Again leave a line. Date, 06 July, 2020. I would again like to draw your attention to these dates provided in the notice. This is the date of issue, 6 July 2020 is the date of issue. 13 July 2020 is the deadline by which you are supposed to submit your names and obtain details, and 22 July or 22nd July is the actual date of the event, that is at 11:30, where in the school hall. Then leave one line and close the box. I hope you have understood this. The sample of this notice also you are required to write on your notebook. I hope you have understood this. Students, with this we have come to the end of the third part of notice writing, that is samples of notice writing. I shall be doing one more video wherein I will be showing you slides on how to write notices, especially on sports events. Thank you.